So finally got the AC hooked up in the Camaro. Don't mind that flashing. I didn't hook the water temp up yet, but we're looking good on that end. Turn the AC on, and it looks like it's just sitting here. Let's see if I can get a good picture of that. We're about what, like 47 degrees. Now, mind you, you're supposed to take this test at like 2,500 RPM. You can see that the gauge readings are pretty good. So the high pressure fan, the cooling fan kicked on, so it's lowering the high side right now. Low side staying steady at about 30. That high side's going to get down to somewhere around 120-ish, and the fan's going to kick off, and then the high side's going to go back up again. I'll wait till the fan shuts off. So the high pressure switch is what actually tells it to shut the fan off because it's overcooling. And you'll see that here shortly. There you go. The fan shut off. It's allowing the high side to build back up. And then the fan's going to kick on like somewhere around here. Yep. And it's going to lower it again. It's going to keep doing that. Wow. Duct temp is actually 42 right now. That's pretty great considering when you do this, you're supposed to be at like a 2,000 or 2,500 RPM. Back a little bit too. Oh, actually it is working. Nice. I don't know if you can see that. See how it's pulled in right now? So that means that heater valve is actually not allowing hot water to the heater core right now. That's amazing. I'm happy that's working. So everything seems to be functioning, and this is the first startup to test everything, so this is a really good sign. I don't see any leaks or anything, which is great. So what's happening is I got the 3-wire sensor which is like a standard LS1 Camaro sensor wired up to a 04 GTO PCM. And then I'm also using that low pressure sensor right there in line with the AC command signal. So the AC command signal is coming, I think it was a light green wire. It comes in over here, and I hooked it in with there. And then the blue wire, normally that would go to your compressor on the stock 3rd gen to tell the compressor to turn on, but I'm running the other side of this blue wire to the AC command on, and the reason is, in case this gets too low, you want to shut the air compressor off, otherwise you're going to freeze your evap core. You know, you got this side of the equation which protects the high side, it detects if you have enough refrigerant and tells when to turn your cooling fan on. However, you have have no protection on your low side unless you wire this stock sensor in line. So looks like everything's good. I don't see any leaks. Really happy about this. Everything turned out how I wanted. So this is a successful day. We got pretty much damn near 40-degree fucking cabin temperatures out of a 92 Camaro, which is fucking amazing. Jesus, look at that. That's incredible, man. That's gonna be so much better than fucking sweating your ass off going to these car shows. This will be great.